Alright, so what we have here basically is 4 different color variations and 1 different actual trait variation of bearded dragons. And I get a lot of questions about reds. And red dragons all came from sandfires originally, with very few exceptions. So anything with any intense red coloring in it, or yellow even, that are marketed as citrus animals, really is just a version of a sandfire, okay? So this would be considered, a fire tiger is what I market it as, but really it would just be considered a super concentrated sandfire, okay? And then you're going to get an animal like this, which is more of a citrus color, and that would be considered more of a typical sandfire versus a super concentrated sandfire. So we've just basically concentrated the sandfire gene in that animal. And then we have an animal like this, okay, which is more of a typical animal you'd see kind of in the scrub forest of the outbacks of Australia. It's got more gray undertones and bronzes in it. This animal still is a variation of a sandfire though. It's just now we're lightening them up, outcrossing them into traits like this animal, which is now a translucent, which makes it clear, and a leatherback, and hypomelanistic. These are actually siblings from the same clutch. And this is just a good example of what a recessive gene does to an animal. Okay, so this animal is expressing the genes that this one's carrying. Okay? And this animal is actually clear. Alright, so this is really what man has done to beardeds. Okay? We've taken an animal that kind of would look like that in the wild and turned it into this. Alright? And it's all genetics. It's all about selective breeding. So you take animals that hold certain traits and pair them up together. Alright? They're basically anything with color in it, red, yellow, orange is going to be a version of a sandfire. Whether it's called a collie, a blood, volcano flame, they all came from sandfires.
Good.
Okay?
That was part 3 from Rob from All About Beardeds. Rob, where can they learn more?
Allaboutbeardeds.com always. You can find us on Facebook. You can always go to chat rooms, but you got to discriminate a little bit with the information you get out of there.
That's why you come to a Recon show and learn.
Have fun and explore and experiment and learn from your animals. They will communicate to you what they need. You know, always keep an open mind with these animals and learn from them. They'll teach you.